Hello, and welcome to Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions. GQUAT is the abbreviation. We are a multi-generational family with 6 living generations currently. The younger ones are in school. All the others are working full-time, doing hobbies and sports. Some of us have gardens in multiple locations. We all share a love of traditional art, fine arts, DIY, and teaching others our traditions. The leaves are turning on the trees here in Connecticut. We support local agriculture as much as possible, including buying poultry, eggs, seafood, and meats. These are some of the things I picked up just recently at the farmer's market. Garden, fresh slicing tomatoes, hot spicy peppers, squash, pumpkins, jalapenos, 10 pounds actually, kale, red mustard, spaghetti squash, just whatever was available. String beans, hardneck garlic. We preserved some of it, and I will be going back to the farmer's market this weekend to see what else I can get, preserve, save, and cook from scratch for my family. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like our content. It will help our channel to grow. Thank you. Fresh is always best. Do what you love and love what you do. Take care.